Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone 14 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change the zoom on all websites. At first, open the settings, then find and select Safari, as only it is your default browser. Then scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice page zoom right here, smoothly marker. And now you can customize page zoom on all websites, so you can pick from 50% to way more, so you can choose, for example, 150, 300, whatever you wish to apply it. Let me stay with 150, and then it will be all zoomed like this. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.